In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the anchor symbol in a Word document. If you've ever been editing a document and noticed a little anchor icon appearing next to images or other objects, that symbol is showing you that the object is anchored to a specific paragraph. This is part of Word's layout system for floating objects. And while it can be useful, it can also be distracting if you don't want to see it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to hide that anchor symbol from view, while keeping your content exactly the way it is. First, open your Word document where you're seeing the anchor symbol. Make sure the document is active, and you can see the anchor next to the image or shape. The important thing to understand is that we're not deleting the object or changing its position. We're simply turning off the option that displays these layout marks. Now, go to the top of your Word window and look for the toolbar tab labeled File, Home, Insert, and so on. You want to click on the File tab to open the Backstage view. Once that opens, look down the left-hand side and click on Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can customize how Word behaves and what it shows on screen. In the Word Options window, look at the list on the left and select Display. This section controls what kinds of formatting marks and helper symbols are visible while you work. In the main area, you'll see a group labeled Always Show These Formatting Marks on the screen. Here, Word lets you turn specific symbols on or off. Find the option that says Object Anchors. When this box is checked, Word will show the anchor icons next to any floating images or objects. To hide those anchors, simply click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Take a moment to confirm that only this setting is being changed and everything else looks the way you want. Once you've unchecked object anchors, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to apply the change and return to your document. You should now see that the anchor symbol is no longer visible next to your images or objects. The layout behavior is still the same. You've just hidden the visual indicator. If you ever want to see those anchors again, you can repeat these steps. Go back into Word Options and turn Object Anchors back on. This gives you full control over whether you see those symbols while you're editing.